All right, so I am with these two beautiful ladies that I'm just meeting, and you are?
Stephanie Gutierrez.
And?
Tara Gill.
Yay! And we're on Naples at this beautiful home that I'm about to tour, so would you do me the honors of giving me the stats so we can tell these folks?
I would love to. So 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 2,682 square feet.
And for all of that, what are we gonna pay?
$2,495,000.
Oh, under 3 mil, okay.
And a water view.
Love me some Naples property. Is there anything that you want to tell us that is like particularly special aside from the water view?
Brand new floors.
Love
and
it.
throughout.
Awesome. Okay, so I would love to help you acquire this property and work with these two fabulous ladies that I've just met for the first time who apparently became friends by meeting at Target how many years ago?
About 16.
Okay, so see, it can happen
We were
anywhere.
only 10 when I
Yeah,
found out.
well, of course. Okay, so there you have it. Mwah.